Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about laminate floor installation. Now, laminating flooring comes in a couple different installation applications. Now, you can have a standard tongue and groove, such as this, where it's just a tongue and groove that goes together and end to end, such as that. Or you can have a snap together. Now, with the tongue and groove, it either has to be nailed down or glued down. With the snap together, you can actually do what they call a floating floor, where you put down a vapor barrier, which usually has some kind of a foam cushioning material on it. You snap the floor together, and you're done. So it's a lot less labor intensive than glue down or nail down process. And now, regardless of the process you're using, when you start out installing your hardwood floor, and I've just got a little sample here, but if this is the outside wall, so you want to go to the outside wall of your room, and you want to draw a line that's the thickness, a little bit more than the thickness of your flooring, and you want to draw that parallel. So measure out and draw that parallel to that outside wall, and that'll be your reference line for doing the floor. And so we're going to lay out several rows. Your flooring comes in various lengths, and what we want to do is we're laying out this floor, we want those lengths to be varied throughout the room. So you want to dry stack that out several rows until you get a good pattern, and then we will push that away from the wall, and then in the glue down we will simply we'll take our glue and we will spread it evenly, a thin layer across the floor. Now, with the glue, it'll recommend a trowel and the type of notch that you need for the glue and the flooring that you're using, so go by that recommendation. And then once we get that down, we'll just take these grooves, and so you want to have these nice even grooves, and what the grooves do is they allow the flooring to get suction there. So this first one we will put down, and you want to make sure you leave a 1/4 inch between the edge of the board and the wall all the way around for expansion and contraction. So we will just lay these in and press them in. Now you want to put a 1/4 inch filler, and you want this to be solid on your first row, something that you can pull out later once the glue is adhered, because you will need on these tongue and groove to be able to put these in place and either squeeze them or tap them with some kind of rubber mallet. And once you do that, then you've got a good system. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to install laminate flooring.